2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse First Look Review. The Dark Horse is a wholly new breed of Mustang, meaning that it does not have any genetic ties to previous models of the breed. Consider the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse to be the offspring of the now retired Mach 1 and Shelby trim levels. However, neither of these options will be available for the first model year of the new Stang. The Dark Horse is the most track-capable Mustang that does not have Shelby badging, much in the same way that the Mach 1 was before it. A number of components from the Shelby GT350 and GT500 have been transferred over to this model, the most notable of which are the GT model's lightweight carbon fiber wheels. It is the first time that Ford will sell the exotic rims on a Mustang that is not a Shelby model, and even when they become available later in the model year, it is likely that they will still cost quite a bit of money. If it looks menacing, it probably is. Krenz claims that the model's modest, dark look was another source of inspiration for the Dark Horse name. This design is intended to give off a vibe similar to that of a sleeper. However, we would argue that the Mustang Dark Horse does not qualify as a sleeper because it appears to be too dangerous. Even when compared with the standard GT model, which already has an aggressive mud, the front end of the Dark Horse takes it one step further with a one-of-a-kind design that has larger grille openings and open nostrils for improved airflow. The smoked headlights and taillights contribute to the edgy appearance of the vehicle. In addition, the body of the coupe is embellished with unusual aero features such as a fixed rear wing as well as Dark Horse insignia on the front fenders and the deck lid. A notable diffuser and four-pointed exhaust tips are both featured on the back bumper of the vehicle. A Dark Horse can also be recognized by its unique blue ember metallic paint, as shown in the image to the right. Additionally, Ford offers a variety of applied or painted graphics in a wide range of colors and patterns to choose from. Standard 6-speed transmission. The Tremec TR 3166-speed manual gearbox is utilized in both the Mach 1 and the Shelby GT350. The base Dark Horse transmission is a modified version of this transmission, just the bell housing and vent tube are revised. Even more chilling, in the literal sense, it is controlled by an anodized titanium shift ball that has cooling air holes included into it by way of 3D printing. This helps to reduce the amount of thermal mass. The standard transmission in a Mustang is a Getrag manual, which is topped by a boring knob. Those who want the Dark Horse to have the quickest acceleration will go with the 10-speed automatic transmission, which comes standard with an auxiliary transmission oil cooler and features shift paddles made of anodized metallic material. What kind of speed does the Dark Horse Mustang have? Our prognostication isn't entirely accurate because we don't have any concrete information on the power or torque, but it's quite evident that the models that are just intended for racing will be the quickest. But let's say the Coyote 5.0 liter is powering this 3,900-pound beast, running aluminum wheels, with 500 horsepower and 425 pound-feet of torque. This would make it more powerful than both the current Mach 1 for 70/410 and the 2020 Bullet for 80/420, and it would come close to matching the output of the flat-plane furious Shelby GT350 5.2 liter, 526/429. In this scenario, we would anticipate a standard Dark Horse with an automatic transmission to reach 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds or less, with the 6M coming in a couple of tenths behind, geared as it is to only need one shift. If possible, take another tenth off the time for the carbon wheels.